Let's install Microsoft SQL Server. Go to any browser, type Microsoft SQL Server, press enter. We will get this first link, that is www.microsoft.com. Click on SQL Server Downloads. We will get this web page. Scroll down. Here we have two options, Developer and Express. We have to download Express version. Click on Download now. So you see this download is completed. Click on this up arrow. Click on Show in Folder. We have this installed. We have this downloaded software. Double click on this. Minimize this browser. We have three options: basic, custom, and download media. As of now, as a beginner, uh, we have to download the basic version. So click on basic. Click on accept and click on install. So this package is getting installed. I will be back once this installation is completed. So this installation is completed. So this SQL Server is installed in our computer. If we click on connect now, here we can see we are able to connect to Microsoft SQL Server, but it is through command line. But we want a tool where we can write our queries and interact with the database. For that, we have to install this SSMS. So click on install SSMS. We will be landed to this web page. Click on free download for SQL Server Management Studio. So this download is started. It is nearly of 670 MB. So this is going to take time. I will be back once this download is completed. So this download is completed. Click on open file. We will get this pop-up. Click on install. So this installation is started. I will be back once this installation is completed. So this installation is completed. Close this. Then go to search bar. Search for SSMS. We'll get this Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Click on that. This Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. is getting launched. So here we go. We have successfully installed the Microsoft SQL Server and Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Thank you.